Hey YouTube, today we're going to be working on the Can-Am Spyder. The headlights aren't working today, not sure why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the bulbs and change them over to LED. I've already checked all the fuses and everything else, so that seems to be okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin to take apart the top of this unit and get to where the bulbs are and change them over to LED and see if that's the problem is. If that's not the problem, then I'll go back and look for some more wiring issues underneath the body panels. Okay, so I popped off the windshield. It's just 4 bolts here. The windshield comes off. I'm going to pop off the mirrors, and then I'm going to pop off this top section. Okay, so I pulled off the mirrors. I just have these sitting here because I can't get the plug wires out yet. Now there's some little tabs in here I have to push and it should lift up. You have to pop the panel up, then you have to go underneath and fish the wires out because they don't come all the way through. And I'm going to tip it up and I'm going to undo the speedometer from the back. Okay, so I disconnected the mirrors and the speedo, pulled it back. Here's where the lights are, and we'll make sure everything's attached and all that. They look to be attached, but who knows. So that's where it is. This is where I got to get to the bulb, and worst comes to worst, I'll pull the whole unit out. Okay, when you take the cover off, there's the bulb in there. You're gonna have to twist that. Most guys say that's really tight in there and to use gloves, so that's what I'm gonna go do. So basically I changed that side. What you have to do is you have to turn these plugs, and then here's the bulb, and you can see this one is broken. You undo these clips on the side and the bulb pulls out, and then you just swap in the other bulb. Okay, these were the bulbs that we bought. I got them off of eBay. They ran about, I think, 20 bucks, and they came from the United States, so they didn't take forever to come here. I think they were out of Kentucky. But again, these are cool whites. They're 100-watt ones, I believe, and they come with a 3-year warranty. So pretty good light for what we did. Well, they're on now. So the lights are on. They look good with the other LED lights.
High beams work.
High beams work. So, although it was a little bit of a pain in the neck to do that, much easier just to take that top piece off than trying to fish your hands through the console, pulling the console. I've seen guys do that. Much easier to do it this way. Anyway, another project done. The Can-Am's pretty much done, other than just painting the flat black or satin black parts. So as usual, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed something in this video, and hope you learned something.
There's a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and hit the bell.
Thanks for watching.